We're about to make something really special with just 3 ingredients. You know, we're about to make some cough syrup. Okay, you're gonna need 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Then you're gonna need the juice from 3 lemons and 3/4 cup of local honey. All right, these jars are the perfect size for the amount of syrup we're making. So if you want to give it away as a gift, that would be cute as well. Now we're getting all of the juice out. I don't have the exact measurement for the amount of juice. I thought that was going to taste good, huh, Bina? That's what you get. Anyway, this is the amount of juice you have left. Bina is still squeezing.
You helping, Bina?
Yeah.
All right, on to the extra virgin olive oil. Add that in. And you're starting to see the layering process that happens with the syrup and the juice. When the honey gets added, it gets really, really beautiful. Just watch. And at this moment, I thought, I should probably give this away as gifts to my neighbors. This is what it looks like before. And this is what it looks like once it's mixed. And now for the directions and the review. All right, y'all. This is my honest review of this cough syrup. It's absolutely amazing. Oh my God, if you knew anything about Goose Grease, the old school remedy, if you're under a certain age, you probably don't know. But Goose Grease, when I was a little girl, my mama used to give it to me. And when I tell you, it felt like an antibiotic, couldn't even hold a candle to this stuff. Now, my mother and I were talking about it, and she said, man, we need to find a recipe. We need to make this stuff ourselves. We need to do this, do that. So I started looking into it one day after I started having real bad chest pains. I mean, after about 5 days, I was like, oh no. I mean, come on. I didn't took the steroids that people gave me. I didn't took the antibiotics. Nothing was still working. The nebulizer was only holding me a certain amount of time, you know, and I don't like my quality of life and my days being messed with. So when I looked up different recipes, this was the one that I felt peace about, you know, and I said, well, let me try it. And if it works, I'll do a video and I'll share it with people, because I know a lot of people are dealing with this bronchial cough, and this, it goes from the age of 12 months on up. So honestly, I don't even have post-nasal drip anymore after taking this stuff. But you know, local honey does that kind of stuff to you. It helps you with your allergies and stuff like that and coughs. But you take this stuff, you mix it up, and then you 2 teaspoons, you heat it up around maybe 8 seconds. It takes to heat up that amount of honey, and you take it while it's warm, and then after that you drink ice cold water. Boom. I'm not lying, boom, it starts working that fast. So by the first night, I was able to sleep without coughing. When nightfall hit, I did not cough. You know, the nighttime cough that happens with asthmatics and people who are dealing with bronchitis. I didn't have the nighttime cough. And then I slept through the night. The next day, the second day of taking it, I took it 2 times a day. The second day of taking it, I did not hack at all. And also, I was able to start putting on the air freshener at the end of the night. I put on the air freshener. Now this is day 3. Last night, I put on the air fresheners. I plugged all those things back up. Plus, I did my nighttime routine with my perfumes. I have bedtime perfumes. So I put lotion and perfume on at night. So I put that on, did not hack. And then this morning, I slept completely fine laying down for the first time this morning. I mean, last night. And now I have perfume on now and I feel fantastic. I mean, I feel fantastic. And this is, I'm telling you, this is how I used to feel with Goose Grease. So if you have any elders in your family who talk about this stuff and talk about how, you know, they wish they had it, this recipe this will do it for you. So try it. It can last up to a couple weeks, but I mean, it's cheap to redo. I mean, local honey runs you about $8, $9. You know what I mean, for a big thing of it. But it's cheap and it's better than Mucinex. It's better. I don't even like lying. I wouldn't even lie to you like that. Like, I did this video just to share with you guys, I'm telling you. And I wanted to be honest because of perfumes and everything else, and the steroids couldn't do it. But the honey, the lemon, it's worth it. Try it.